I know Ayla is just a few days away. We have done it before. We have to quickly cover video training tips to make sure we can make the best vlog ever. So let's go over some shooting tips really quickly. Two basic principles. One is to slow down. Second one is to break up a shot. For example, let's say we're outside. What's the immediate response? It would be to just kind of pan around, right? A way that would be more pleasing would be to just stick to a point and not pan at all.
The reason why you just film and just hold is because the eye takes in so much information. If you're moving, it's like information overload. The downside of what we did last year, what I did, is I was just so overwhelmed with like, oh, I need to capture everything. Oh, there's a cloud in the sky in Mexico. I need to capture the cloud. Oh, this is a trash can in Mexico, right? Like, think of actually what is the use of this? Where is it going to go with the video? What's the artistic angle? And think of it more like an essay. You're trying to communicate one point. So before you actually hit that record button, think, what story am I going to tell? Each video should just really focus on capturing that one key point.
So this was a stock image. I was looking for an establishing shot that showcased the location that I could overlay text over.
I mean, we bought this, right, the stock image, but you could have filmed this as well. And you see how there's a lot of open space? That doesn't mean it's a bad shot. That's actually a good shot because then we can put things over it.
Mm-hmm. See, like, I thought that was really good movement. I thought that was a really strong shot because it's stable, very symmetrical, and very, very linear. I thought that was really good.
I have like a short idea. That scene where Joseph buys breakfast early in the morning is very heartwarming. What I'm thinking is, you know how in shorts there's this funny thing, like say in Jurassic Park, this guy is like saw the dinosaur and he turns the girl's head and the girl's like, oh, she takes off her sunglasses. And then he's like, what is it? Joseph coming in towards you with breakfast.
You're such a mind, John.
Okay.
Not a bad way to end the night.
If this is a movie,
Yeah.
are we having like a Superman movie where the movie is about the Superman? Or are we having a Shazam movie where the movie is about a group of people?
It doesn't matter. Film your ideal,
Because
and then they can piece it together at the end.
so I can actually talk to the camera like
Yeah.
myself.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's everything all at once.
There's everything all at once, everywhere.
Exactly.
Everywhere, anytime, however, whatever.